I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Finally friends, it is an unboxing video of the Poco M3 Pro, which I'm really waiting and excited to use this phone, and I'll try to do plenty of comparison with other smartphones as well, which I do have, which is the Poco X3 and iQOO Z3 as well. In testing the performance wise, the Poco M3 Pro has got the Dimensity 700 processor, and even I'll try to do plenty of testing with the Dimensity 800 processor as well, which I do have with the Realme Narzo 30 Pro as well. So there's so much of interesting comparisons going to happen for the next couple of days friends, so make sure to stay tuned. And in case if you want me to upload any other videos on the Poco M3 Pro particularly, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible for you all. So definitely friends, try to comment under this unboxing video. That is the reason, main purpose of this unboxing is that just to see how many users are interested in this kind of Poco M3 Pro and how many users are actually thinking of buying this smartphone. So I'll try to test the battery performance level and everything, all the details I'll try to test for the next couple of days. So within maybe next few days we'll be able to get to know complete characteristics of this phone, whether is it worth to buy this Poco M3 Pro or not. As you can see friends, this is the box which we did have. So this is a different kind of unboxing. So it is a Poco M3 Pro, and let's see friends what will be the contents in this box will be there, and it is a Poco M3 Pro complete package. And there is no plastic sealing around the box, which we usually see in a lot of other mobile phones. There is no plastic at all complete the box. As you can see, it's written 5G and made in India, which we can see actually on the top. As you can see friends, 5G connectivity, 5G, and everywhere it's kind of 5G only displaying. So let's see friends what with the inside phones, what we get inside. So that is another thing. And in terms of the specifications, the phone has got a 6.5 inches with a 90 Hz refresh rate screen. So this is a quite improvement when compared with the Poco M3 model. That's a quite slightly improvement. So let me try to quickly open the box, and it's slowly sliding down. And the processor is of Dimensity 700 processor, and you do have the triple camera setup in the backside, 48 megapixel camera and 5000 mAh of battery, and dual SIM UFS storage 2.2 as well. So let's see friends what will be the inside boxing experience will look like. So this is what I'm trying to see inside, what will be the fast charger and all those details. So is the case, let's see whether we do get any kind of case or not. Yes, we did get the case, and case is not, I think it's normal case only, it's not that strong enough. Let me quickly open this kind of plastic seal. As you can see, this is a transparent case which we are having, not that strong, but you do have the, I think, closing port for the charging pin. As you can see, that's a really good thing. Only few companies they provide this kind of closing port for the charging, not all the companies. So to avoid the dust getting inside that port, which for the time to time it definitely will create a lot of dust as well. And it is a complete Poco friend. The phone which I did order is a blue color device, so because yellow color was out of stock by the time I ordered. So as you can see, this is a complete blue color. This is how it looks. As you can see friends, the shining and the design of this blue color. So I thought of ordering the yellow color, but just for the review purpose I did order as early as possible this blue color variant, because I was unable to wait for the yellow color model. So this is a phone. Let me try to keep the phone side. And is the charger which we got in the box as well. As you can see here, there's a charger, and let me try to quickly zoom into the charger. What is the maximum amperes it's showing? So 5 volts and 3 amperes you can charge, I think. As you can see friends, I think overall the phone supports up to 18 watts of fast charging, not much. And this is the cable which you got in this box. So this is a quick impressions friends about the unboxing experience of this phone, which is quite normal. Apart from that, there is nothing much special going on. And my first impressions about this phone is kind of, it's okay, not that impressive, but definitely I do miss that kind of yellow color look on the back side. So maybe in the future, once it get back to stock, then maybe I might be able to order that phone. But make sure to comment below friends what are the other things you want me to test on this phone: battery or camera or the display or charging or the performance. So these are the few things which I'll be definitely focusing on this particular Poco M3 Pro model for the next couple of days. So I'll make sure to comment below. My main focus will be comparing with the iQOO Z3 mobile phone and the Poco X3 as well. So both phones, they do have the Poco X3 is kind of close to similar kind of price range, so a lot of people will be definitely interested. So I'll try to make another videos as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll even try to check the 4G connectivity. That is another thing. I'll try to focus on the 4G connectivity as well. How is the 4G connectivity in this smartphone? So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.